If y'all don't know, there was this Pop the Balloon episode that brought on this one guy called Aaron the Plumber. They say he looked like a Ninja Turtle. The shorties were violating him. He said he could pull out 100,000 out the bank, and then whole bunch of stuff brought up. Apparently, could and da. He got put on this other show, fought this transsexual lady, and then got put on. He has another fight with some other nigga. He just knowing to squabble up. All right, so Deshae Frost got him on his stream and decided to squabble with this nigga. So let's watch this and see.
I just think up.
What they saying in the chat?
He said, "Say, you know, my brother Dub. He said you."
Who? Don't come get in the glove.
Yeah, he said you. He just be wild.
I gotta show you a technique.
This how I'm gonna hit you.
Nah.
Bonehead.
Nah.
That's how I'm gonna get him, chat.
Nah.
That's how I'm gonna get him, chat. Nigga swole though.
Come on. Donkey Kong him.
Here you go. These 16s, right?
Yeah.
Okay. There you go.
Let me use the restroom real quick.
Okay, let me see your mic. So don't.
Okay.
Your mic. Hi, how you doing?
I'm so scared, bro.
2 rounds, 2 minutes.
Count up. All right.
It's gonna count up.
We get to this when the niggas get in the ring. That's what we want to see. This is what we're here for.
Give me some words of motivation or something.
This nigga look like that.
It's over.
Fight party. Like, no, you got this, bro. Remember what you did March 2024. Remember how you...
What'd I do in March 2024?
Remember your last fight?
I was in February.
You got this shit.
But we wasn't 190 pounds.
You been in that lab? We was just in the gym on the other day. See, you got
This rap.
I'm gonna die.
Yeah, just move around.
He looks too happy. He's jumping and
Now that is crazy. To be jumping while jumping and smiling, bro.
Okay.
Whatever y'all good.
All right, good luck, man.
Yeah, go interview him. Let me see my phone. Quick.
Oh, man. This is another fade, another squabble. It ain't nothing. Regular shit.
Nervous at all?
No,
Another
hell
fade,
no.
another squabble.
Huh?
Never fought like a smaller guy?
Yeah. But can't underestimate him because of size.
That's a fact. That's a fact. Can't underestimate because they size.
What'd he say?
He said, I'll fuck you up.
Oh.
It's over.
Okay.
Why does shit look like that? It just looks like he's scared for his life.
Count down 5, 4,
Pull up.
3, 2, and 1.
Okay.
Bro, the shit been in boxing fights and this nigga running, man.
Hold on.
No. Nigga playing it out.
You good?
Yeah. We got 40 seconds.
What are we doing?
Just another squabble. Another food. He has to be like, I feel like he's acting it out to some degree though. You know Deshae, bro. Deshae, bro.
Oh my God, my lip. I'm done.
I was about to say, yeah, I got him out.
Playing around. So just the one round in there.
Finna go real quick. I'm gonna lay down for a second. Just talk.
All right. Hey, chat. All right, post game. Hey, chat. So when we got in there, you know, I thought he was a little more prepared than what just took place, but couldn't underestimate him. I didn't know if he was in here training or what he was doing, so just came in here and sparred. I didn't try to hit him too hard, but
You enjoy this.
huh?
That's what they say. They say you enjoy this.
I enjoyed it. I mean, we boxing. It's regular, you feel me? But I wasn't putting him on him like I was trying to, Nah, I was throwing him though, but, you know, regular. And had it been somebody I didn't like, it'd have been worse. You know what I'm saying? But hopefully the brother's okay, man. You know?